Many organizations have adopted Agile development as an alternative way to deliver faster and better releases, and Agile has delivered. Companies using Agile report dramatic improvements in time to market, product quality, and customer satisfaction. And because of this success, Agile adoption is growing over 50% a year. However, for many employees, customers, and executives used to traditional management methods, Agile development's unique metrics, processes, and terminology, coupled with some misunderstanding of the drivers for Agile methods, have made it challenging for them to fully understand what's going on. Adding to the problem, software made specifically to help Agile experts is just too complex for people who don't have years of Agile experience. CA Agile Vision Team Edition is different. It's easy to use, yet robust enough to help everyone collaborate and complete Agile projects. How does CA Agile Vision help? It makes Agile easy everywhere by helping team members easily manage their Agile projects no matter where they are. It helps keep your team sprinting by giving the information they need when they need it. And it provides instant insight into Agile projects through easily configurable reports and dashboards that everyone can understand. And because CA Agile Vision is built on Force.com, a leading cloud management platform from Salesforce.com, it can be delivered 100% over the web with no need to worry about installing or maintaining software. Force.com is also extremely secure and reliable, so you can always get your data whenever you need it. Let's take a look at CA Agile Vision. The homepage of CA Agile Vision shows a simple yet comprehensive diagram of the Agile approach, which is helpful for people new to Agile. The Agile diagram initially starts with the overall backlog, which consists of all the requirements and user stories which customers want. These are then aggregated and assigned to different sprints or iterations. For each iteration, requirements are further broken down into tasks where they can be assigned to different team members. This process continues until the sprints are complete and a product is released to a customer. The homepage includes links to common places someone will want to go to when they enter Agile Vision, like how to get started, creating a user story, and accessing the virtual wall. Now, let's see this process in action. First, we'll review the project backlog. Since Agile Vision is delivered 100% over the web, team members don't have to huddle around a room to look at the latest project status and backlog items. Now, no matter where they are, team members around the world can now easily work on Agile projects together. And because CA Agile Vision runs on Force.com, it's very easy for developers already using Force.com to quickly come up to speed. In this case, team members can quickly see all the user stories for this project, the priority, the sprint, the release, and who's working on it. Next, we will take a closer look at one of the sprints for this project. As you can see, user stories can be reviewed and compared for each sprint. Notice the allocation views at the bottom show the allocation impact of these user stories within the sprint on team velocity or individual resources as the stories are assigned to the sprint. This easy-to-understand planning view allows the team to quickly understand who has available bandwidth to complete user stories, and it also helps external stakeholders easily see what's needed from a resource perspective. In order to ensure the team is focused on the right priorities, you can also just drag and drop a user story to move stories in and out of the sprint as you plan. This makes it easy to adjust the scope of a particular sprint and keep the team on track. And by looking at the sprint details, we can manage the intricacies of a sprint. Beginning with the user stories and charts page, one can immediately see the burn down and velocity charts that give real-time updates to the progress of this sprint. The team can quickly see how much work they've done, how much work is left to do, and how efficiently they're working. This simple yet graphical view helps keep everyone on the same page regarding the sprint and tasks needed to be done. So how does the team work on the user stories? With CA Agile Vision, one way they do it is through the virtual wall. This virtual wall is where user stories are deconstructed into the tasks for different team members. For most teams, this historically consists of a wall of sticky notes in a conference room. CA Agile Vision takes that same simple approach, but helps distributed teams work through their tasks by presenting this wall virtually. As team members update their tasks, they can use this real click and drag task wall to drag tasks to the different phases of the project, as well as update the task details. As they're dragged to different phases, the tasks change colors to become more visible, especially on a wall full of tasks, and the sprint and resource details are automatically updated as well. Resources can just click to edit any of the tasks on the wall. As you just saw, CA Agile Vision is very simple to use, yet is robust enough to give any team member the information they need to manage their tasks and sprints. It also provides easy-to-use dashboards and information that helps executives, customers, and partners quickly understand how Agile projects are doing. To find out more about CA Agile Vision, go to ca.com/Agile.